Thanks for joining me. This is Muhammad from Bloggle01, and today I am going to teach you how you can sell anything to anyone online. Not only that, you can also sell any product. You can make unlimited sales. You can make a shit ton of money. Well, business is all about marketing. If you do it right, you can do wonders. Well, you must have seen those 14-year-old boys selling goods online and you think that this is bullshit. Well, I used to think like that also until I found out that this is not bullshit. They are doing it because they know the secret sauce. They know the game plan. They know what you don't know. Facebook, Google, Amazon, everyone is doing the same bullshit. So I was curious enough to find out what they are doing, and today I am going to share that secret sauce with you. So stay tuned and check this out. So let me give you a brief introduction of what we are going to discuss. A friend of mine asked me that I trashed my cars every now and then. What to do? So I told him, join a damn driving school. You got to learn. So let's see what we are going to learn. How to sell anything online. This is the first basic thing, how we used to sell, how we have to sell, how we have to approach the customer. We will give a step by step approach of selling. Third will be, it is the complete package of how we will bring the visitors to our site, how we will convince them to buy our product, how we will make them come back again and again. And if you are doing marketing from some time or if you have a business, then I have got some special twisted tricks to convert those remaining or existing leads and to fix your leaky funnel. So stay tuned and stay focused. Every business needs a structure. Without structure, it is not possible to do business at all. So let me give you what we are going to learn. Number one comes create awareness about your brand. First, you have to tell people that you are selling something. You have to show them that you exist in the market. Then comes you have to tell them about your product. You have to tell them that what is your core product which you are offering them and how it is going to help them. Then comes the sale. Once you have shown the product, now it's time to sell your product. Then only we will make money. After all, we want to make money. Then comes to make them come back. Now, once we have made the sale, now it's time to make them come back again and again. Remember the 80-20 rule. 80% of your sale will come from 20% of your existing customers. That's the point to remember. 80-20. And finally comes the referrals. You have to make your customers not only buy your product, but also ask them that they refer your product to their friends and family. Share the love, give them something to make them spread your business, your brand. So this is the total layout of any business. See, one person will tell three-person and those three-person will again tell three-person, and this is how it will work. So before we start, let me give you the secret of creating a successful marketing funnel. But before we start, you have to promise that you will not use it for bad purposes. Not at all. Because this method is so much powerful that you can use it at your daily life, at your college, at your school, at your office, or even to find a girlfriend. So let's move ahead. See, people nowadays don't give away easy favor. They just don't. Ask somebody for his car keys. Ask your friend for his car keys and he will throw you out. That's just happened to me. So what you can do? Science says that ask for a small favor. People just easily give away small favor because they think that he is just asking a small favor. Before he asks anything, just give him that and throw him out. This is the mentality. Just give the small favor and throw him out. But what they don't know is once they give the small favor, if bond is developed, their subconscious mind develops a bond with the person whom they just gave the favor. They emotionally get attached to that person. And what happens next is then they also agree to the bigger favor. They also give away the bigger favor. Yes, this is what happens in this secret system. And it's all in the mind. It's all in their mind. They don't even know about it and they give away everything to you. And this is what we are going to use in our system. This is our system and science call it FITD, foot in the door technique. Just when they were about to totally reject you, just when they were going away, you put your foot in the door and bring them back. You just asked a small favor and kept them there. You just held them. Now, once you held them to close the door, once you stop them to close the door, now you can come in again and ask for that bigger favor. Can you feel it? This is the power of FITD. This is how everyone is doing business nowadays. Let's have a look at an example. In a survey in California, USA, a household product company was surveying ladies in a particular area and they were asking for a door-to-door survey of their household products. But you see that guy, that ugly guy, nobody wants to let him in. I won't let him in. And same thing happened to them also. Everybody rejected him because the simple purpose was not that he was ugly. It was because people nowadays really busy and they don't want unnecessary people to come into their house and waste their time. Time is money. So what happened with that company was real smart. They did not give up. So they went on to plan 2. So the plan 2 was they just called the ladies and they asked few questions. And those questions were simple related to their household products. And ladies were happily answering their questions. So now what happened is then those people again tried on these ladies for a door-to-door survey. And this time what happened? Bingo! Bingo! The ladies were happy to fulfill the door-to-door survey. It happened because of what? FITD. Yes, FITD, foot in the door technique. What they did is they just stopped the ladies from closing the door. They just gave away the questionnaire and then they put on the survey. Just they took the smaller favor, then they took the bigger favor. This is the FITD power. This is how we are going to do business. This is how we are going to do it today. All this leads to the first part of our marketing system. This is called brand awareness. You have to tell people that you exist in the market, you are selling something. But nowadays there is a problem that when you tell people that you have this benefit, you have this feature, you have this product, and this and this and this, but what you hear in return is that people say, I have not heard about you. Are you on Facebook? And you go like, what the truck? So let us see what are the problems. So you must be thinking that I will do Facebook ads and other type of advertisement and boom. But let me tell you, only 1% people are getting benefited with ads and banners. And this is latest survey of 2018. Now what to do? So again, you might be thinking that you will go with Google. Google is the prime. Everybody is on Google. But let me tell you, only 2% people are getting benefit with Google ads. Only 2% at the bottom. So now where is it going? So you must be thinking of content marketing. Content marketing is the king. Yes, it has the maximum number of 20%, but is 20% enough? Is that 20% enough? So let us see what we have to do, what we can do. Are you also suffering for this problem? Most of the marketers are suffering from this problem because the prime thing is to bring the customers to our site. So what to do, what to do, what to do, what can I do? Maybe I should give them something free. Free. Does that word rings a bell? Free. I like that word, free. I will see it again. Free. Yes, free. I have to give something free. You see, to bring people from internet to your website, you have to give them something, bribe them, then only they will come to your site. Otherwise, who cares about you? Who knows you? Who is bothered what you are selling, what you are doing? Who are you? If you are not giving something, who cares about you? Don't take it personally. I am just saying that what we have to do is give something free. So let us see how we can do it. See, in online world, a potential customer which we are about to bring to our site is called a lead. And the giveaway which we are going to use, the free gift, is called the lead magnet. Lead magnet. But you cannot give away just anything. That lead magnet should be of real value. It should be like a bread to a beggar, like a treasure to a thief. It should be something of real value. See, the very first point leads to this thing only, that lead magnet should be free, because free is the magic word. It attracts them like sugar attracts the ants. It's like that. And it should be of real value too, otherwise I don't care. But the thing is, if you are giving me something free, I will definitely take it. But if it is not of my use, then what's the purpose? However, in my case, if you give me poison, I will take it for free. Not to use it, but to resell it. I used to sometimes do that. For example, have a look at how QuickSprout is giving away a lead magnet. They gave away a $300 course free of cost. See, it has both the factors. It is free and it is valuable. So anyone who is looking to double the traffic site in 30 days will jump on it. he will jump on it. So am I. Another person, digital marketer, marketing agency, they gave away a Facebook ad template as a lead magnet and they generated over 35,859 leads in just 2 months. Can you believe it? 35,859 leads is a very big number. So that was the first part of how to bring visitors from internet to our website by giving away something free. Once the customer has entered our sales funnel, once they entered our website, now it's time to make them consider our product. I asked my friend how you are going to make your customers consider your product. And he said, I am going to sell everything. I am going to make my stock sold out in one day. I am going to give away everything at 95% discount. And I told him, bro, take a break. We are not an NGO. And that's right. We are here to do business. We want to make money. But here is the problem. On an average, you will convert only 2.35% from a landing page. The conversion rate is only 2.35%. It means you have to work a lot harder. But where there is a problem, there is a solution. So let us see what we can do. If you are also in this situation, what you can do is don't break your head. Just stay calm and follow these steps. Just like we gave away a lead magnet to bring the customers to our site, similarly, we will give away something to bring them into our buying cycle. But it should not be a high-end product. It should be a low-end discounted product so that customer won't be bothered about the price. It should be something around $5, $10, $15, should not be a high-end product. And once they buy our product, they will enter into a relationship. It's a mind game, as I already told you. FITD, the relationship will be built and you will take him to the next level. Now comes the part of that product. Here comes the word tripwire. Now, some of you who don't know must not confuse it with the switch box at your house. Tripwire doesn't have anything to do with your electrical line. It's a business concept. A tripwire is an irresistible offer given at an unbelievable price. Irresistible offer means something really high quality, high value product at an unbelievable price. Crazy price should people should go really crazy. You can consider it like a shopping mall where people see a sale and they just jump over it. I used to do it a lot. I have many a times I have done it and lost my money. So see, this will never go out of fashion. This is a very highly proven technique. Let us see how Freshkey did it. They gave away a $10 tripwire and as a flash sale, and they made a whole lot of money. Another example is of Authority Hacker. Authority Hacker is a marketing agency and they were suffering initially. So they planned it out with a tripwire. They gave away a $9.95 product as a tripwire, and can you believe it? They with this tripwire only, they made $298. This is not their main product. This is only their tripwire, a low-end product, and with this low-end product only, they made $298. See how effective this is. Now that we have sold our tripwire, it's time to focus on our main products. This is why we have started the business. This is why we are doing it. This is our main agenda to sell our core products. According to a research, over 80% of our income will come from upselling. All the effort which we made to bring the visitors to our site, to sell them our tripwire, will make up for our expenses only. Our main profit will come from this upselling of our high-end products. Now, once we have sold the tripwire, it's time to show them our main products, our best products. And have you heard about McDonald's? McDonald's is doing it amazingly. As soon as you offer, as soon as you order something, instantly they will ask anything else to go with it. And by asking this simple question, they have made millions and millions of dollars. And according to a research, if you present your main product properly, at least 20% of the visitors or customers are likely to convert into a premium customer. Have a look at how Amazon is doing it. Amazon is the number one e-commerce site right now. And they are selling their audiobooks with their free books. They are giving away with their books, they are selling their audiobooks. And by doing this only, this method only, not only audiobooks, in everything they are using this method. That's why they are number one. If they can do it, you can do it too. Most people will say that we have made a sale, now it's over. Well, let me ask you a question. Is it easier to make a new sale or or is it easier to make a sale to an existing customer? Well, you will be surprised to know that making sale to an existing customer is far more easier than to make a new sale. And how you can do that? Well, you can do that by showing them the glam sham, showing them the shiny diamond, showing them the real value of your products. Furthermore, according to a research, almost 80% of the revenue of any business comes from existing 20% customers. So this is an important point from this presentation. 80% sales comes from 20% existing customers. 80-20. 80-20. And if you still not agree with me, then you will be surprised to hear that it's 7 times more costly to sell to a new customer than to an existing one. Are you with me? These stats are from proven sources. Now you must be saying, Mohammed, I agree with you. But how to do that? How to bring them back? Well, you can do it by introducing a loyalty program. Once the customers start to show love to your products and services, well, give them back. Show them your gratitude. Show them your love. How you can do that? Give them something back. On every purchase, give them something back in the form of points. This is one method. You can give them loyalty points. Every time they buy something, give them some points which they can use in the form of discount in the next purchase. Similarly, you can give away loyalty cards. This is most popular in shopping malls and theaters. Whenever a new customer comes, they offer them loyalty card for discount on the future purchases. So once a person buy a loyalty card, they stick to that store or theater. There are many other ways, but these are most popular. Now, if you can use this method, your purchases will be double, triple, and quadruple in no time. Have a look at this discount coupon scheme introduced by Walgreens. Walgreens is a well-known grocery chain all over the world. So they gave away a $9 discount coupon for every next purchase. And by introducing this small step, they made over whopping 150 million registered users and 85 million active users. Those numbers are in millions, not thousands, millions. So it shows the importance of introducing a loyalty program. So I would suggest that a loyalty program is must for every online store, no matter what business it is in. It is a must. We move to the final part of our presentation. Let me ask you a question. What is better than making a sale? What is even better than making a sale again and again? Well, it is making them talk about you. Make your customer talk about you. And how to do that? Use that naturally built powerful machine fitted into their head called mouth. Word of mouth is the most powerful marketing method developed over the years. It has been used even before the invention of internet. You give me $5 and I will chatter all day about your product like a rapping parrot. You give away something free and people will talk and talk and talk about you. But how to do that? You have to make your customer your evangelist. An evangelist is a customer who voluntarily promotes your product and services. But first, we have to look at what people are doing so far. According to the stats, when a product is referred by a family or friend, 86% people bought that product. But when the same product is referred by a celebrity, only 11% people went on to buy that product. See the difference. This is the power of an evangelist. So how you can make an evangelist? This is the main question. But from most of the time, most of the brands are using referral programs to do that. Referral program is the key concept. Just when your customer was about to leave, just when he was going away, you put your foot in the door and stopped him and give away something free and asked for another favor. This is called referral program. At the end, when he was about to leave, you stopped him and give away something free and asked him to refer your product and services to their friend, to his friend and family and other people. This is the power of referral program. Now, if you don't believe me, check out how big brands are doing this. Amazon, Airbnb, PayPal, even Facebook has done it. Everyone has done it. Check this out. PayPal gave away $10 to every person who referred their program. Not only that, every person who joined the program also got $10. You won't believe. I instantly joined PayPal as soon as I find it because it who doesn't want $10? Who is that person who doesn't want $10? Another example, Airbnb. They gave away $25 for referring their packages. They are a big travel giant. So they gave away $25 to promote their travel packages from different countries. And by doing this small step, they are spread over 192 countries and they have over $2 million business. Sorry, $2 million hotels where their program has been used. Now let's talk about Facebook. You must be thinking, how Facebook? Yes, it is Facebook. Facebook, as soon as you join Facebook, they give you friends option. But when you join those friends, Then Facebook asks you to share the love and spread to more and more and more friends. This is how they are getting referrals and asking more and more people to join Facebook. So you can see how people are doing it and how making themselves money. From money, we reach to our final point. You must be asking, yeah, Mohammed, I agree with you that everything is excellent. The content is excellent, the structure is excellent, and the stats and strategies are awesome. But you didn't show me the money. Where is the money? Money, money, money. I want to see the money. I want to see greenery in my bank account. Yes. So let us see how much we spent, how much we earned, how much is our benefit. Suppose you brought 1,000 leads to your site, and out of those 1,000 leads, you are giving away to those 1,000 leads, you are giving away $20 as a tripwire, and your core product is of $100. Now, if out of those 1,000 leads, 500 people went on to buy your tripwire product that is of $20. So $20 product is bought by 500 people. That leads to $10,000. And furthermore, if out of those 500 initial buyers, 100 people went on to take your core product, then it again leads to $10,000. It means for per 1,000 leads, you are earning $20,000. But if you are not surprised with this whole scenario, then this profit can vary based on your price and your tripwire and your core product value. But this is how it works. This is how the cost and profit balance each other. In any business, not in this, in any business, even in offline world, things work like this only. But you must be asking, okay, I have learned everything. This is finally over. Now I have become a marketing pro. But wait, there is something more. Most of the marketers get stuck here. They think that marketing funnel is over and they do just this much. They and finally they found out that they are not earning money. They went on to break their head onto the wall because there is a big because. These hurdles leads to the first part of my twists. See, there are two kinds of people, the active ones and the boring ones. And you can learn from both of them. You can learn from the active ones and you can learn from the boring ones. And the best way to learn from the boring ones is to find out what they are doing and don't do it. It's that simple. Don't do it. But my twisted marketing it works little bit differently. Here we focus on converting those existing boring leads into an active lead. So we introduce another kind of funnel called activation funnel. Here we try to activate those existing leads. So let's see how we do it. As you already know that not everyone is going to buy from us. There will be some people who will not buy and will go out of our funnel. This activation funnel helps to activate those existing leads. And this is done by flash sales. Yes, flash sale is actually a introduction of another kind of a tripwire where you sell something at an unbelievable price but with a twist of urgency factor or maybe low cost factor or maybe Scarcity factor. You introduce something which immediately shocks them that this is unbelievable offer. I have to get them instantly, otherwise it will be out of stock. This is the power of activation funnel. This has been proved to work amazingly for many of our big brands. Let us see how it works. For example, see a mobile case manufacturer company known as Casemate. They use flash sale. Ooh, this guy freaks me out every time I see him. Okay, this mobile case manufacturer company gave a flash sale and they gain over 51% increase in traffic, 50% increase in their conversion rate, and over 236% increase in their revenue just by introducing a flash sale. See those, they were able to convert those existing dead leads into active ones and they got 236% increase in revenue. This is the power of activation funnel. Once the customer buys our flash sale product, once he enters into our sales funnel again, instantly we will look to sell our core product again. That's where second twist comes into the picture. This is called monetization funnel. I love this word monetization because it comes from money, 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 money. Everybody wants money. So in monetization funnel, we will look to sell our core product, but to execute it, first we have to nurture our first time buyers. We have to give them great value. We have to give them webinars, we have to give them mini classes, we have to give them live events, engage them, keep them hanging there. Then it's time for the magic question. Once they are engaged, once they are into your content, once they start to like you, then it's time for the magic question. And what is that magic question? Ask if they need your help. Ask if they need help. Ask how can I help you? Just see how this system works. Have a look at how digital marketer nurtured their existing buyers and sold over 20,000 K product. They gave away a sales funnel building structure. They are a marketing site and they gave away a sales funnel building structure. They are asking, do you need any help in building your sales funnel? Do you need any help? And they sold over 25K product. That product is costing over 25K. So you can imagine how powerful this is. Stuff leads to the final part of my presentation. I want you to imagine yourself as a cook and somebody ordered a 9 course meal. The list is really long. It has a soup, then a salad, then a roasted chicken, then a dessert. But who the hell in the world can cook that meal without a recipe? You need a recipe, right? After all, nobody likes to eat a burnt chicken or a lumpy soup or a ugly cake. That's why I present to you twisted marketing. Twisted marketing consists of all the jabs and the hooks, all the ins and the outs, a complete to-do list. Not only it will teach you what to do, it will also teach you what not to do. That sounds interesting. It will teach you 100 different ways to do a same thing. The best ways only. So Twisted Marketing is the most widest course available, spanning over 14 chapters, covering all the leagues of a funnel. It will give you a step-by-step explanation covering everything in detail. So let us see what it has to offer. Now you must be thinking, what is the secret sauce? What is the spicy ingredient in it? What it has to offer? So let's check it out. Marketing research. The very first part is marketing research. It will show you how to do a marketing research, what to do, how to do, and everything else. Then implementation of marketing system using ads. Yes, ads is the one everybody will be interested. Then comes social media. Yes, everybody's on social media. Content marketing, science of persuasion. Content marketing is the king. And persuasion is the mysterious concept everybody wants to know. By the time you will reach this point, your marketing skills will be so enhanced that it will take you up and above 80% of the crap marketers. Those who are really not serious about their business. Isn't it exciting? Isn't it amazing? So let us see what else we have. Marketing funnels. Marketing funnel is the structure. It will teach you how to create a funnel, how to bring a customer, and how to make a sale. Then comes customer psychology. Customer psychology will tell you why your customer is not buying, why he is coming and leaving, and what is going in his mind. That is very important. Then comes influencer marketing. Influencer marketing teaches you everything about different type of influencers, how to reach out to them, and how to make them sell your product. Email marketing. Yes, email marketing has over 70 to 80% opening ratio. It means people will read your content. After all, you need them to read you, then only they will buy from you. Then comes public relation. Public relation is the need of the time. You cannot build a business without getting in contact with your business and people related to your business. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is the future. 66% of your emails will open on mobile only. 51% of social media is more than 51% actually is only on mobile. Conversion rate optimization is a must nowadays. Without it, people, even when they come to your site, they might not convert. So it is a must. And finally, when you reach to the end of this course, you will start feeling that confidence. You will start feeling that curiosity of starting up the business. You will feel in it like a pro. So let us see what is remaining. SEO strategies. In SEO strategies, you will get meta description, keywords, duplicate content, everything which you can consider in SEO. Then comes storytelling. Yes, this is very important. Storytelling is nowadays is a must. But everybody will tell you that you should use storytelling. But nobody will tell you how to use a story. See, story has different parts. You should know how to create a story, what are the different types of stories, and how to implement a story. There are lots of things in it. Then comes analytics. Analytics is like everything for business. Without analytics, you cannot scale your strategies and success. Then comes standout paid marketing. Paid marketing will give you everything about what are the different types of paid marketings and how you can implement them. Lead generation, another important concept. It will bring different type of leads to your website. And finally comes copywriting. Copywriting is nowadays most important part because everybody is talking about how to implement your strategy and how to use your words. Can you feel it? How to use your words. At this point of time, you must be thinking, yeah, Mohammed, I agree with you. Your content is amazing. Your scheme is looking excellent and the structure and layout is perfect. But I'm not sure. I don't know whether I should go with it or not. And I totally agree with you. For that purpose only, let us see what my other students are saying. Jane from USA is saying that Twisted Marketing taught me digital marketing from scratch. She learned everything from scratch and now she is doing really great as I said now. Mike from Sydney says that it solves some of the biggest problems of sales funnel. Sales funnel is the complete structure of bringing customer to making a sale and bringing them back again. It will teach you everything. And Kunal from India says that it will give you great insights on customer psychology. Customer psychology will teach you that why customer is not buying, why he is leaving, why he is not responding, so that you can make your plan accordingly. And Gary from UK is saying that very few courses will help you with influencer marketing and public relations. And Twisted Marketing is one of them. So it makes you understand, it will say that Twisted Marketing is doing everything for you. It will give you everything which you need to start your business or to scale your business. And all of them have given it a 5-star rating. Not only them, thousands of other people have also given Twisted Marketing a 5-star rating. So should you have it? First of all, let me tell you that this course will enable you to make millions of dollars with your business. And this is proven. It will teach you everything, not only everything, it will give you really great insights and hidden strategies based on the latest stats and trends of marketing. Some of my students have already gone on to make 6 and 7 figure funnels. They have learned the concept so perfectly. They have absorbed it so perfectly that they are making money more than me. Yes. Now it's your turn. Now the ball is in your court. If you want to make money, if you want to grow your business, if you want to do something bigger in life, then this is your chance. But wait a minute. You must be thinking, Mohammed, you didn't told me the price. Well, the price is really shocking. For a limited period offer, I'm giving it away at a really discounted price. Through this link and through this day, I'm giving it away at a very small price. After that, the price will go up again. So if you are really serious about making a business, about scaling your business, or even making more money with your business, then this is your chance. This is your dream come true offer. So don't let it go and take action. And always remember that I will be there to help you with everything. So go